Hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. Here I want to show you how to buy the cryptocurrency, the Graph. This we're gonna do on the crypto exchange Binance. Binance is the biggest crypto exchange in the world and also has the lowest trading fees of only 0.1%. And if you use the link in the video description for registration, you save another 20% on trading fees so that you actually pay 0.08% on fees, which is pretty low. What you're gonna do here is just register on Binance, then deposit some money, and if the money has arrived, you just type in this field how much money you want to invest in the Graph. How you do this step by step, I will show you now. At first you click the link in the video description, then you come to the right registration page, and the 20% trading fee discount is also automatically activated. Then you just create an account, and after the account is activated, you just log in and go to the dashboard, and from the dashboard you click here in the menu on identification. The identification is necessary to be able to deposit some money, and this is the reason why you should do it. At first you do this verification here by clicking on it, and after this is done you just do the address verification by clicking here on verify. After the verification process is done, you are able to deposit some money by clicking here on buy crypto and then on bank deposit. Here you just select the currency and the payment method. You can use bank transfer and credit card, and after you just type in this field how much money you want to transfer. Also you see your limit. In my case it would be 200,000 euros, and if all this is fine you click here on continue. After you get the bank details which you need for the bank transfer, so just use it and go into your online banking, do the transfer, and after 1 to 3 business days the money should arrive. When the money has arrived, you click here on buy crypto and then on cash balance. There you can check your available cash balance. Here in my case it would be 500 euros, but you can also click here on wallet and then on fiat and spot. There you see all your money and all your cryptocurrencies. Now that the money has arrived, you just choose your coin which you want to invest in. In my case it would be the Graph, and now that the Graph is selected, you just type in this field how much money you want to invest in this coin. Then you see how much you would get, and if this is fine you just click here on buy the Graph. If you want to sell your crypto coins, you click here on sell crypto. There you can change it back into fiat money, and that's it for the tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it. Give it a like, subscribe, and have a nice day. Bye.